na minua be me ka say ene NDC for mahu social media bebre say NDC for abo Kelvin Taylor pa say oni omampanyin kufu atem
o mabone pa
say sano kai wanti
manti
o say NDC for ene ya say tie o say tie enyo me tie onyo no mpo na ka ma tie MPP for bebre say omampanyin Kelvin Taylor NDC for na senate say oni omampanyin atem
send no kro na
so wankasa so wate oh tie me tie
ma mentie o
sabio yanyina wa hai obi asua de kakra yamfie so ko yanim me kan wo se wanka ne sa onkan na mum o associate with omo kase NDC for and abo Kelvin Taylor pass
only send your mususu say
oh tie wo say wankasa so you distance yourself
I understand myself
good it's say
Kelvin Taylor dey so be anything dey be NDC for next month
oh tie
na hone nim sade
mbacho minim
mepacho wuntie
obi a minim
mepacho wuntie me abronye oya regional chairman Kelvin Taylor on holding position bia NDC abronye regional chairman of the NDC of the MPP Bono region oh mepacho and now also because wadia to say the abronye be bia and to okasa me yedin I want the viewer and the listener to get this right or say or the studio I say once abronye and the MPP regional chairman our Bono region the abronye be biara MPP for na body pass 1 year. Let the records capture. The internet doesn't lie. But me catch no one say I have never in my entire life supported culture of impunity. Mini abakaya in opposition na me ba wafidie so. Na ye senior o man wa ha. I said this and baby amekobia I said the same thing. Say me Krobia Santi, I have never supported a culture of impunity.
Okay.
Say me oh me bo say me nua kudu anya dwene a. Ade a me wo the missile me one say message no sabi unprinted words the S word the F word mean to me I have never me nan fofo ba bia matena dia gro obi a wo tiafidie betima fraka I have never and Kelvin Taylor ebedi obi atam edi omampanyin atam asante se SOMPA se nimo antimi wa tete wontuma so obedi atam na omampanyin kufo wadi ye friend say na wonim se Kelvin eyesa ne nneoma no NDC fo bi so call ne live ho akọ reply no with harsh words so wow so by way ya hwe nka bibia kire obesa de NDC akọ position and me who take it or leave it and this ni bie ni ho say o support to Kelvin Taylor say on di omampanyin kufu atem sabi Kelvin Taylor odi ahemfu nyina atem me patcho no so NDC for ne sekyina na enti ayeni sunu ne ban na madika kasa sante say se nimo antimi wa eyedai etete wontuma enti media NDC ni bia support to Kelvin Taylor so we need even obi atem because na making so mene nana kufu ado nyadwene a so watu your friend say wa fairly wo ono ane one village one dam ho wa fairly wo ono ne nioma ho a
me da say oh boy all right